Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're an IC student who is preparing for a board examination and is in pandemonium that which English book to buy, as the market has left off with hundreds of options. Don't worry guys, I'm here to sort some good books which will not only help you to improve your writing skills but also to gain good marks. So, why are we waiting? Firstly, we have this effective English writing. As the name suggests, art of effective English writing, which will help you in improving your writing skills. The price of this book is around 415. Now let us come to the content part. This book consists of 5 sections. Under section A, we have the essays. Under section B, we have the report writing. Under section C, there are grammars, and under section D, there is comprehension, and section E consists of solved question papers of the previous years. Let us talk about the essay. The category under essay, there are different types of categories. As you all know, if you are an IC student, you will be knowing that there are descriptive essays, narrative essays, topical essays, reflective essays, and short stories. It consists of all these types of essays. Moreover, there are more than 130 examples of these essays. And the biggest merit of this book is that the essays get repeated. That is, you will definitely get an essay from here in your ISC examinations, because last year you have seen this year in 2020 we got solitude, right? This was already present in this book. Let me show you here. If you can see solitude, it was already present in this book not only in 2020 but also 1990. Photographs came, which was also present in this book, and lastly dreams also came, which was also present in this book, which came in 2018. Therefore, if you read this essays, you will definitely get a comment from it, because it helped me a lot. And trust me guys, if you think that your English writing skills is not so good and you do not have a bombastic vocabulary, don't worry guys, this book is the ultimate solution for your problem, because it also helped me during my examinations. So this is a very good book. So let us come to the second category. The section B consists of the reports. As we know, there are different types of reports: book review, film review, sports review, travel brochure, and many others. It consists of all those, and it consists of more than 15 to 16 examples of such. And next we come to the comprehension part. It has a good number of comprehensions and grammars. It is filled with grammars for practice, like you have phrasal verbs, do as directed or dad. Then you have passages, tense passages filled with grammars to practice. And lastly, the biggest merit of this book is that at the end you will get the solved question papers of the previous year. This book is a 2020 edition, and it consists of solved question papers of from 2007 onwards till the base year. Therefore, this is basically a very good book. So this will never disappoint you, and it is a very good book. Again, we have this Challenges Before ISC, written by J. Matthew. This is also a good book. It costs around 205, not at all expensive, but this is a very good book who want to practice a lot. This is basically for practice purpose. It consists of many grammars. It basically consists of grammars because it is filled with 400 do as directed, 50 tense passages, and more than 100 prepositions, and a small number of report writing, book and film review are there. Therefore, this is a very good book who want to practice a lot for regular practice. And lastly, the biggest merit of this book is that you will get several quotations of different writers and authors like Shakespeare, Robert Frost, William Wordsworth, B. Wordsworth. There are several, many quotations filled in this book at the end of this book. Therefore, if you want to add some good quotations to your essay, you can learn this up and add it to your essay. This will help you to boost up your marks. Therefore, this is a very good book who want basically for regular practice. We proceed to this third book, that is The Total English by Morning Star. It is also a very good book. It consists of 12 specimen papers according to the ISC question paper pattern, and the cost of this book is around 200. It is not at all expensive, and it is filled with specimen papers. It is printed in the ISC question paper pattern, like you will get the same pattern like you get in the ISC question papers, or they are present in the 10 years. Therefore this is a very good book for people who want to practice according to the question paper pattern and basically according to the order. It consists of essays, question number 8, then we have the grammar part, that do as directed, tense, then we have the preposition, and then it comes the comprehension. Therefore it has a good number of sample papers which will help you to test that how much you have prepared for your examination. Therefore this is also good book for people who want to test themselves before examination. And the biggest merit of this book is that it consists of phrasal verbs starting from A till T. You will get all the phrasal verbs in this book, as well as in effective English writing you will get, but mostly if you want in alphabetical order, it is there in Morning Star. It is also there in effective, but you will get more phrasal verbs in effective English writing than in Morning Star. Therefore this is also a very good book for people who want to test themselves. So I would recommend this book for people who really want to see how much they have prepared. Therefore it is very good book. So among these 3 books, effective English writing, total English, and challenges before ISC, I would highly recommend this book for the people who want to improve their writing skills and gain good marks in the writing part and creative writing part. And this book for people before the examination, you can practice this book, which will help you a lot. And lastly, this book is for people who want who regularly prefers regular practices. Therefore these 3 books are very good. These are mostly prescribed by the teachers, council teachers. Therefore these books are very good. If any of you will buy any of this book, you will never be a loser, because it will always help you in improving one or the other. So if you find this video to be informative, you know the drill. Give this video a big thumbs up, smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. If you have any queries regarding this video, please let me know in the comment section below. And so yeah, that's it. Thank you.